All right, so this is the Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier by Pure. Comes in a really nice box. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up and just kind of take a look at it and see exactly what comes inside of the packaging. So once you open it up, you have the instruction manual, and then this is the power cord that comes with the humidifier. We'll go ahead and take out the carton that it comes in. And here we go. So brand new, still inside of the wrapper. When we open these things up, it's actually pretty nice once you look at it. We'll put that back in the box, and we'll put that back in the box as well. But it comes with this nice blue top piece on here. You can take it apart, and then you can see the actual motor down in here. Hopefully you guys can see it. And then this is where the actual mist is going to come from, right here at the top. You'll plug it in right here. And then the front, this is the actual power button. So a pretty nice humidifier. You can get these for around 40 bucks. So if you want to humidify the air, this is definitely a solid product for you to get. I think it's a pretty good size as well. I have another one that's a lot bigger, but this one actually looks a lot sleeker and it does the job. It has great reviews on it and at a great price. And I would give this a rating of a 4.7 out of 5.